It's time to discover 10 obscure facts about mushrooms. Fact number 10, fungi were the first trees. Before trees came to be, fungi were the first tall, towering structures on Earth. It was a mushroom forest. Fact number 9, mushrooms are mostly water. Most mushrooms are 90% water, meaning you need to cook them for a long time in order for them to not be slimy. Fact number 8, mushrooms can manipulate airflow. Mushrooms are able to change the air around them to provide them with fresh airflow so they can spread their spores easier. Fact number 7, mushrooms have thousands of genders/sexes. Each mushroom cap can have millions of spores, and each of these spores can have one of over 20,000 sexes. Fact number 6, mushrooms can dye your clothes. Mushrooms can be combined with different ingredients and mediums to create dozens of different colors of fabric dye. Fact number 5, mushrooms love lightning. Scientists discovered that mushrooms double in size when struck by lightning. Fact number 4, mushrooms are like icebergs. Wherever there is a visible mushroom cap, there is much more fungi known as mycelium below the surface. This is why it can be dangerous to eat soft food that has gone moldy. Fact number 3, mushrooms can have toxic lookalikes. Most wild mushroom varieties have a toxic lookalike. Don't eat wild mushrooms unless you are absolutely sure of what it is. Fact number 2, mushrooms are related to humans. Mushrooms are alive, and are more closely related to humans than they are to plants. Fact number 1, mushrooms talk to each other. It was recently discovered that mushrooms have a vocabulary of about 50 words that they use to communicate with each other. How? Through electrical impulses. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.